So a lot of you commented that you use your air fryer for meal prep. Today, we dive down that lane with this 3-ingredient air fryer salmon. This is more of showing you how easy it is to use your air fryer and make some delicious salmon with only a few minutes of prep in less than 15 minutes than it is a recipe. But if you haven't tried it yet, check this out. Question of the day: what's your favorite fish? Drop it in the comments. To make this, all you need is, first and foremost, your salmon. Cut it into some strips like this. Whether or not you remove the skin is completely up to you. I usually eat it, especially for the health benefits, but I think I might be in the minority here. That's another good question of the day. Do you eat the skin? After that, throw your pieces into a mixing bowl, then add in a tablespoon of olive oil per pound and your favorite salmon seasonings. All I used today was a teaspoon of Old Bay. This is where you can get creative. I'll put on screen a bunch of other seasonings I like here and also include them on the website with metric conversions for everything, which you can check out by clicking up here or down below in the description. Now flip your pieces around a few times to make sure they're all coated. Last, hit your air fryer basket with some cooking spray, then add your pieces in. Put them into the air fryer on 400 for 10 to 12 minutes or until they reach 145. If you preheat your air fryer, it'll take a bit less time, so keep an eye on it. In the end, they should look like this. Couple tips to this one. Number one, this goes great with rice and salad over vegetables. The list is endless. Number two, you want your salmon to be the same size, so it all cooks evenly. Depending on how thick or thin your salmon is, you may need to add or subtract to your cooking time. Number three, if you choose to glaze it, brush that on at the end and drop your temp to 350. 2 to 3 minutes should do the trick. Number four, keep this in the fridge where it should last around 2 to 3 days. And to reheat it, throw it back in the air fryer on 350 for 3 to 4 minutes. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're going with a single piece of our salmon. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. One guess per person. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one, or simply to help the algorithm. Don't forget to check out proteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.